Today, we delve into the groundbreaking world of Midjourney version 6. Join us as we explore its incredible features, compare it to leading technologies like DALL.E 3's image-to-text capabilities, and break down the exciting advancements this latest version has to offer. Stay tuned for an in-depth journey into the realm of AI innovation. Getting started with Midjourney version 6 is an exhilarating venture into a realm of AI sophistication. To initiate your exploration, simply access the Settings menu and select V6 from the drop-down list. Alternatively, when crafting prompts, appending a V6 to your request triggers the new version. This seamless transition eliminates the need to manually switch versions every time, offering a more efficient user experience. What distinguishes version 6 is its alpha testing phase, representing an initial release rather than the final product. This stage hints at ongoing enhancements and iterations to come. Despite its commendable performance, this phase encourages anticipation for forthcoming updates, promising improved performance in speed, image quality, coherence, prompt comprehension, and text accuracy. An essential improvement in version 6 is the refined prompt structure, enhancing accuracy and understanding. Avoiding redundant descriptors and focusing on crucial elements yields better results. Additionally, V6 boasts longer prompt allowances and upgraded coherence, enriching the generated outputs. The incorporation of minor text drawing capabilities, alongside revamped prompting methods, marks a substantial leap in usability and output quality. With V6's promising potential, users can anticipate optimized performance, expanding possibilities for lifelike imagery and creative outputs. This foundation lays the groundwork for future releases, suggesting a trajectory of innovation and excellence in AI-driven image generation. Midjourney version 6 brings an array of revolutionary enhancements, marking a significant leap forward in AI-generated imagery. Among these innovations is an improved understanding of prompts, allowing for more natural language inputs while maintaining accuracy. This advancement in prompt comprehension facilitates longer and more detailed instructions, resulting in outputs that are more refined and precise than ever before. An important aspect to note is that version 6 is in its alpha testing phase, indicating ongoing enhancements and optimizations. This phase promises improvements in various facets, including speed, image quality, coherence, prompt following, and text accuracy, ensuring continuous refinement and better performance over time. Another standout feature of version 6 is its streamlined prompting methods. It simplifies the prompt structure, emphasizing crucial elements and discarding unnecessary descriptors, leading to clearer and more accurate outputs. This enhancement aims to make the process more intuitive for users, enabling them to achieve their desired image outcomes more effectively. Additionally, the update introduces the ability to incorporate text into images by enclosing phrases within quotation marks. This feature significantly enhances the integration of text with generated visuals, offering more creative freedom and versatility in creating AI-generated imagery. One of the most intriguing additions is the remixing feature, enabling the generation of images within an existing form or composition while preserving its structure. This capability opens up a realm of creative possibilities, allowing users to explore unique and diverse image outputs. Version 6 also refines upscaling capabilities, enhancing image quality and clarity. These improvements collectively contribute to a more refined, detailed, and coherent experience, setting the stage for continuous advancements and exciting opportunities in AI-generated imagery. Midjourney version 6 stands out in the realm of AI-generated imagery, particularly when compared to counterparts like ChatGPT and DALL.E 3. Each platform brings its own unique strengths to the table, catering to different creative needs and preferences. Midjourney V6 excels in delivering hyper-realistic images with an unparalleled level of detail and realism. Its emphasis on accuracy and coherence makes it a go-to choice for lifelike visual outputs, especially with features like star roll that enhances realism significantly. However, it leans towards a more realistic depiction, sometimes resulting in images that demand a closer look to discern AI generation. On the other hand, ChatGPT offers a more creative and diverse approach to image generation. It might not achieve the same level of realism as Midjourney, but compensates with imaginative and varied outputs. ChatGPT thrives in generating images with unique styles, creativity, and originality. Its strength lies in versatility, enabling users to explore a wide spectrum of visual interpretations. DALL.E 3, known for its groundbreaking image-to-text conversion, also presents a notable alternative. It excels in text-based image generation, transforming textual prompts into vivid visual representations. However, in terms of raw visual realism, it may not match the intricate details and lifelike quality produced by Midjourney version 6. Ultimately, the choice between Midjourney, ChatGPT, and DALL.E 3 boils down to the specific requirements of the user. Midjourney's emphasis on hyperrealism, ChatGPT's creativity, and DALL.E 3's unique text-to-image capabilities cater to different preferences, offering diverse avenues for AI-generated visual content creation. Midjourney version 6 comes as an alpha release, marking the initial iteration of this advanced AI model. Despite being in its early stages, version 6 demonstrates impressive capabilities in generating lifelike images, emphasizing accuracy and detail. However, being an alpha release implies that it's not the final version. There's room for further enhancement and development. The alpha release serves as a foundation, a starting point for Midjourney's evolution. It's expected to undergo rigorous refinement through subsequent beta versions and eventual full releases. These iterations aim to address existing limitations, improve performance, and refine the model's abilities. Future improvements are anticipated to cover various aspects: enhancement in image quality, coherence, prompt following, and text accuracy are among the primary areas slated for refinement. Midjourney aims to bolster its capabilities, ensuring better comprehension of prompts and delivering more precise, coherent, and high-quality visual outputs. Additionally, optimization efforts are expected to focus on speed and cost efficiency, making the model faster and more accessible while maintaining its exceptional quality standards. The goal is to create a more user-friendly experience, allowing creators to seamlessly generate high-fidelity images with greater ease and efficiency. As Midjourney progresses through its development stages, users can anticipate significant advancements, refining its abilities to set new benchmarks in AI-generated image creation. The journey from alpha to full release promises a trajectory of substantial improvement, setting the stage for a more robust and capable AI tool. However, ethical considerations remain paramount. Monitoring outputs for accuracy and ethical alignment ensures that the generated content adheres to ethical guidelines. Lastly, patience and iteration are critical. Achieving the desired output might require multiple attempts and adjustments. These practices collectively enable users to harness the full potential of Midjourney's version 6, generating precise, relevant, and high-quality outputs tailored to specific needs. In conclusion, Midjourney's version 6 presents a remarkable leap in AI image generation, offering enhanced realism and precision. Through this detailed breakdown, we've explored the exciting capabilities, comparisons with other AI models, performance disparities, and best practices for optimal utilization. To harness this incredible tool effectively, remember these key takeaways. Craft explicit prompts, leverage the model's strengths, iterate and refine your approach, and ensure ethical usage throughout. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or simply exploring the possibilities of AI-generated content, version 6 provides an exciting platform for creativity and innovation. Don't forget to watch the full video for a comprehensive understanding. If you're eager to explore the capabilities of version 6 yourself, start experimenting with diverse prompts and styles. Embrace the learning curve, and before you know it, you'll master the art of generating stunning AI-crafted visuals. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technology.